Hey crafty besties, it's Helga here. Today I'm going to show you a super simple and stunning way to bead wrap Easter eggs. The best part? You can totally customize this method for any egg size you have. No complicated charts needed, just a beautiful handmade vibe for your Easter decor. And bonus, these beaded eggs can actually stand on their own without any extra base. I'm going with a two-tone look today, but a solid color would look just as chic. I'm using Preciosa size 10 Czech seed beads, but Miyuki Round 11 zeros are a great alternative too. For one egg, you'll need about 15 grams. That's roughly half an ounce of beads. For the base, you can use wood like I am, or go with plastic or foam. It honestly doesn't matter. Here's the size of the one I'm working with. Make sure you have some strong beading thread, like Miyuki. I'm cutting about 13 feet of thread. Don't let the length scare you. We're going to start weaving from the middle of the thread, so thread your needle in a single layer. No knots. Secure a stop bead. Just pass through it once and slide it to the very center. This acts as a stopper so your beads don't go flying. Now, let's pick up this combo. 3 silver, 1 orange, 3 silver, 1 orange. Keep repeating that until you have 13 orange beads in total. That should be 55 beads altogether. If you hold it up to your egg base, it should match the height perfectly. With the needle at the bottom, pass it upwards through the second and third beads from the edge. Pick up 1 orange, 3 silver, 1 orange, and 1 silver. Insert the needle into the 7th free bead from the previous row. Now you've got a little cell where each side has 6 beads. Next, pick up 1 silver, 1 orange, 3 silver, 1 orange, and 1 silver. Pass the needle upwards into the 8th free bead. Pick up another set of 7 and go into the next 8th bead. Repeat this 3 more times until you reach the end of the row. You should have 5 beads left. If so, you're doing great. Don't forget to give it a nice firm tug. Now pick up 1 silver, 1 orange, and 3 silver. Skip the last bead and pass the needle down through the next 2. Pull it tight. Pick pick up 1 orange, 3 silver, 1 orange, and 1 silver. Pass the needle down through the middle bead of the nearest cell. Now pick up 1 silver, 1 orange, 3 silver, 1 orange, 1 silver, and again, pass it down through the middle bead of the next cell. Grab another combo of 7 and send them down. Keep going until the end of the row. At the end, pick up 1 silver, 1 orange, and 3 silver. Skip the end bead and pass the needle upwards through the next 2. You can flip your work over now and just repeat the steps from the previous row. Keep going row by row until your first thread gets short. At this point, you're basically halfway done. Remove the stop bead, thread your needle onto that end, and keep weaving the same way. Now, wrap your beaded net tightly around the egg. If the ends almost touch, we're ready for the next step. To sew it together, one thread must be at the top and the other at the bottom. If you're set, pick up 1 orange and 1 silver. Pass the needle upwards through the middle of the 3 silver beads. Pick up 1 silver, 1 orange, and 1 silver. Pass the needle diagonally upwards into the middle bead of the next cell. Repeat this: 1 silver, 1 orange, 1 silver, and through the middle bead. Keep doing this all the way to the top. Once you're at the top, pick up 1 silver and 1 orange and pass the needle through the 3 silver beads as shown. Leave this thread for now. We'll secure it later. Using just 1 orange bead, we're going to connect all the top elements. Add 1 orange bead into every gap. Go all the way around and connect the start and finish. Pull it tight, and maybe go around one more time just to be safe. And there you go. Now, weave your thread down to the very bottom. Once you're on the other side, repeat the process by adding one orange bead in a circle. All that's left is to secure the thread. Weave it through a few beads. Make a small loop under the thread and pass the needle through it twice in the same direction. Pull it tight, hide the knot inside a bead and repeat for extra security. Trim the excess thread while keeping it taut. Do the same for the other thread, and your beaded Easter egg is officially finished.